Hi guys, welcome to your lesson on why science. So your learning intention is to understand how science impacts our world. And you'll be successful if you can differentiate between scientific theories and laws and applied science. So why science? Well, science gives us a lot. One of the most basic things it gives us is models. Models that tell us how things work or show us how things are related. Those models can either be computerized, three-dimensional, or two-dimensional. 3D is in like the kind of model you might build of a car or a house or maybe of an airplane, or 2D as in the kind you'd find on a piece of paper. Sometimes those models show us how things are related, sometimes they show us how they're constructed. That's one of the things that science gives us. Another thing that science gives us is theories. Now, theories are based on repeated experiments or investigations and observations. What's an observation? An observation is something you need to know about. An observation is based on one of your five senses: hearing, taste, touch, smell, and what's that last one? See. A lot of the times that we see things in the lab, we record our observations. Observations are any information gleaned from your five senses. Observations and investigations that have been repeated over and over again, they become theories because many different scientists in many different places have verified those hypotheses as true. Once they're verified as a theory, then they may become a law. A law is considered to always be true. Law of gravity. That is a law. You're never going to find a place on Earth that it doesn't exist. You're not going to find a place in the universe that gravity doesn't exist. We'll go over that again when we get to Newton's laws. But gravity is a law, and we accept it as a law, and we don't ever try to argue against it because we all know that it is true. So there's the difference between a theory and a law. Models, 3D, 2D, or computer. Theories based on many different observations and investigations. And remember what an observation is, one of the five senses. And laws are always true. Now, what's the other reason why we have science and why it's so important to us? Science leads to technology. You love your phone, right? Do you like listening to the radio? Do you like watching TV or using your computer? All of these things would not be possible without science. Technology is applied science. Science for use in the real world, in your life. So all the stuff that you have that you like playing with, video games, cell phones, iPads, all those things are technology. And technology would not be there without science. Some of you may one day invent a new type of technology, and I'll bet it will be based on science. Science can also be found because of technology. Technology can lead to more science. For instance, a long time ago, this old dead dude found out that if he used some glass and he cut the glass in just the right way, he could look through it and see these little tiny critters, which we now call bacteria. And now we can study those bacteria. The technology that he used, the microscope, allowed us to see organisms that we've never seen before. And that led to a new field of science called bacteriology. And now we can cure diseases because we now know what caused them. So science is awesome. Science leads to more technology, or applied science, and technology can lead to more science. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope that you are inspired to enjoy science this year. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. You will have a formative assessment on this portion of your science lesson. Then we will have a quiz, and we'll move on to the next section. I give you good luck. Bye.